Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and taking care of yourself as well as you are taking care of your studies. Okay, with this hope, we can start up today's class. And today we are going to continue with bank reconciliation statement. And today we are going to take up a new sum in bank reconciliation statement. That is, this is a question. In the previous video also I told that today we'll be taking this sum. Why? Because there are many interesting things in this question which we are going to learn. So what is given here? Let's start. On 31st of January 2012, this is our deadline. So remember the first thing, the deadline. Okay, it is 31st of January 2012. Anything beyond that we are not going to take into consideration. So this is the foremost thing. Remember that we should not take any other thing which is not pertaining to, which is beyond this date. Okay, कुछ भी जो इस डेट के बियॉन्ड होगा, मतलब बाद में आया होगा या बाद में हुआ होगा, we are not concerned about that. Okay, so we will take only those things which are concerning to our requirement, which is before this date, on or before this 31st of January 2012. So what is given? That my cash book showed a bank overdraft. So the cash book is showing. So cash book is the base. So we have make a star mark in the cash book. Okay. So cash book is our base. So all the changes we are going to do in the cash book. Right. So let's start. What is given? That a cash book is showing a overdraft balance. Overdraft balance means minus balance. Okay. Minus balance. How much is the minus balance? It is 12,500 rupees. So this is our base. Minus balance. Cash book is showing minus balance. So nothing so extraordinary. The simple thing is that we are going to put it and or place it in the minus column. Okay, minus item column will be there. There we are going to place this 12,500 rupees. Okay. On comparing it with the passbook, while after comparing the cash book and the passbook, the following differences were noted. These were the things could be noted. Okay, what are the things? Number one, cash and checks amounting to 1,340 were sent to bank. Okay, cash and check, the total amount comes to 1,340 were sent to bank on 27 January. Okay, as soon as we send, what will we do? As soon as we send, we first of all, what we have to do? As soon as we send, we add it up in the cash book, isn't it? In the cash book, we add it up. What will be the amount that is added up? 1,340 rupees is added in the cash book. Were sent to the bank on 27 January. But the check worth rupees 230 was credited on 2nd February, and one check of 45 was returned to them as dishonored. That means total how much? The 2nd February means beyond 31st of January. So we are not going to take into consideration. इसका मतलब हम लोग पकड़ेंगे कि 31st जनवरी 2012 तक ये 230 रुपीज वाला जो चेक है वो कुछ नहीं हुआ था, क्रेडिट नहीं हुआ था. ठीक है, क्लियर? तो एक मिल गया 230 वाला, and the other one is check of 45,000 which was dishonored. So this amount also did not come. What are the two amounts that did not come in our account? 230 ka check, okay, 230 ka check and 45 rupees ka check. So how much did we get from get in the passbook? In the passbook, how much did we get? We got 1,340 minus 230 minus 45. क्यों? क्योंकि 230 तो क्रेडिट ही नहीं हुआ 31st जनवरी 2012 तक, और 45 रुपीज तो डिसऑनर हो गया. Okay, so what is the amount? Let's find it. After deducting, it is coming to 1,000 1,065. So here it is coming 1,065 rupees. Okay, is it clear? How did it came? Sorry, how did it come? The calculation was done like this. Since only these two checks, one check of 230 and the other check of 45 did not come in our account. How did we come to know about that? Because we can see that one check was created on 2nd February. That means it has not happened till 31st of January 2012, and the other was returned dishonored. That means this also did not come. So total how much amount did not come? 230 plus 45, 275 rupees. So if we deduct 275 from 1,340, how much we will get? 1,065. So only 1,065 came in the passbook. Okay, only 1,065 came in the passbook. So now you can see that both the sides total are not same, isn't it? The total of both the sides are not same. Now to make it same, what we have to do? We have to make the changes. And where can we do the changes? Only in the base. So our base is cash book, right? So how to make the changes in the cash book? We have to make both the sides same, we have to deduct this amount. How much do we have to deduct? We have to deduct 275 rupees. Okay. How did we come to know 275? Because 1340 minus 1065, it is 275 rupees. Okay. Now let's come to the next point. I'll just highlight it for your understanding. Now coming to the point number 2. Now point number 2, what it is saying, you see, during the month of January, what happened? I issued, that means the person who is the owner, I issued check worth of 1670 to my creditors. Okay, he has issued. So once a check is issued, remember that immediately it is deducted from the cash book. 1670 रुपीज का चेक उसने माइनस कर दिया. इशू मतलब पेमेंट किया क्रेडिटर को. सो ही डिडक्टेड इट फ्रॉम द कैश बुक, राइट. कैश बुक से माइनस कर दिया. बट व्हाट हैपेंड हियर? आउट ऑफ दीज, ओके, 1600 चेक्स में जो जो पैसा था उसमें से क्या हुआ? चेक वर्थ 1370 वेर प्रेजेंटेड फॉर पेमेंट ऑन 5th February. जो चेक दिया था हम लोगों ने 1670 का, उसमें से एक चेक जो 1370 रुपीज का था वो फेब्रुवरी में जाके प्रेजेंट किया उसने. मतलब 31st January 2012 तक उसका प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हुआ है. He did not take the money from the account. So how much did the money go from our passbook till 31st of January 2012? This 1370 was not taken. So how much was taken? From 1670 you just deduct 1370. So how much has been taken? Only 300 rupees has been taken, right? Only 300 rupees has been taken. So now to make both the sides same, our base is cash book, isn't it? Now to make both the sides same, what we have to do? We have to make this 1670 also minus 1670 also minus 300. How can we make? By adding. We know to decrease a minus item, we have to add something to it. So what will you have to add? We'll add 1370. Now you can see both the sides are same. Minus 1670 plus 1370. Okay, the answer is minus 300. So both the sides minus 300 is same now. Clear? Now coming to the third one. So what is in the third point? Just a minute. In the third point, we can see that it is according to my standing order. Standing order का मतलब क्या होता है? Many times there are some common transaction that takes place every month. Okay, so what we do is that we give a instruction to our banker that please pay this amount of money, certain amount of money होता है, ठीक है? Please pay this amount of money for my life insurance premium, for my this particular fees, that particular fees, any fees. Okay, so please pay this amount of fees to this amount, to this bank account, or through this website you can pay. You can just give the instruction to the banker, and the banker will automatically pay that amount of money on that particular date. Okay, generally installment वगैरह होता है ना, तो बैंक को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया होता है कि तुम मेरे अकाउंट से 1 तारीख को, 2 तारीख को या पर्टिकुलर डेट को इतना पैसा इंस्टॉलमेंट के लिए ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो, पेमेंट कर सकते हो. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड दिस सिचुएशन इज कॉल्ड स्टैंडिंग इंस्ट्रक्शन. यहाँ पे ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी सेट किया होता है, ऑटोमेटिकली पेमेंट हो जाता है. But what happens is that bank will not forget to do that. We many times forget that. Oh, why? What happened? Why the money is showing less in my bank account? Later we come to know. Oh, acha, we have given the instruction. That is why the banker is paying. Okay, so that thing happens in a practical situation. It will happen. Okay, because there are many transactions to deal with. So many times the businessman forgets, but the banker will not forget because this is the duty of the banker. So he will not forget. We may forget. Okay, हम भूल सकते हैं, वो नहीं भूलेगा. So according to my standing order, the banker have paid during the month of January. क्या क्या दिया है? Life insurance premium 170, television license fees 120, and driving license fees of 22 rupees. This much amount has been paid. So no information about the cash book, means all this payment has been made from the passbook. That means what the passbook has done, minus 170 plus 120 plus 22. तो कितना होता है? The total comes to 170 plus 120, it is 290. then 22, it is coming 312 rupees. So total 312 rupees has been deducted from the passbook. Okay, 312 rupees has been deducted from the passbook. Now what will happen in the cash book? In the cash book, we have not done anything, isn't it? We have not done anything in the cash book. That means the cash book is showing, what the cash book is showing? The cash book is showing 0. Okay, the cash book is showing 0, no changes. Okay, that means 0 means there is no deduction done in the cash book. वहां पे डिडक्ट कर दिया गया है और यहाँ पे कुछ डिडक्ट नहीं किया गया, जीरो डिडक्ट किया गया, कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Okay, now to make both the sides, what we have to do? Cash book is our base, so to make both the sides same, we have to deduct 312. Okay, we can write like this: 110 for life insurance premium, 120 for the telephone television license fees, 20 rupees for the driving license fees. Okay, the total is 312, which has been paid. Now coming to the next one. What is that? Point number 4. And what the point number 4 is saying? Point number 4 is saying that my banker, okay, my banker have collected 150 as dividend on shares. Okay, dividend shares मतलब company में invest करके रखा था shares में, तो banker has collected the money. So how much the banker has collected? 150, isn't it? So banker collected means immediately my account was credited. I got the money in my passbook. Passbook में आ गया. Whether I update the passbook today or day after tomorrow, after 1 year, doesn't matter. Bank में record होता है. Passbook, जो the one passbook that we hold is just a xerox copy of what we are keeping in the what the record the bank is keeping. Okay, it's just a copy of that record with us. Bank already records it whether we update our passbook or not. Okay, so don't think that if I don't update my passbook, how it will be how the record will come. It's not that. The record is automatically updated in the bank record. So how much the bank has recorded? 150 rupees the bank has recorded in the passbook. So there's nothing record in the cash book. Since nothing is told, so no record in the cash book. Nothing is told about the cash book, so 0 is there. Now our base is cash book. So to make both the sides same, what we have to do? We have to do the changes in the cash book. So to make 0 150, what you have to do? Just simply 150 plus, right? 150 को plus कर दो, हो गया. Then now both the sides are same. I hope all of you have understood this. Now coming to the next one, it is point number 5. What is there? Point number 5, what is saying? My banker have given me a wrong credit of 150. इस बार गलती कर दिया बैंक वाला. Every time we were doing, now this time the banker did. What is the mistake? The banker has given a wrong credit. मतलब गलती से उसने 150 credit कर दिया. Credit means if the banker is crediting means my money will increase in the bank. Okay. Now let me repeat one more important thing again, that don't go for logic here. Just see how we are going to make both the sides same. Okay. Don't think that he has wrongly done, so I'll deduct it. No, you cannot do that. You have to just see how to make both the sides same with the base, only the base. So we can see that in this particular situation, the banker has wrongly given me 150. So it's plus 150 in the passbook. Okay, plus 150 in the passbook. But my cash book is showing 0. There is nothing change in the cash book. Cash book में कुछ नहीं हुआ है, isn't it? There's no change in the cash book. So how will you make both the sides same? How will you make both the sides same? To make both the sides same, what you have to do? We can only just a minute. Okay, I'll just make a passbook so that you can understand both the differences. Otherwise you might get confused which one is passbook, which one is cash book. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, so now it is more clear. So you can see that what is that? 150 is added in the passbook, but nothing is there in the cash book. So to make both the sides same, what you have to do? What we have to do? Just simply add 150. गलती है तो गलती है, क्या करना है? दोनों को मिलाना है ना, दोनों को मिलाने के लिए 150 लिखना ही पड़ेगा. So लिख दो, right? This is how it will be done. Now coming to point number 6. I hope all of you are understanding it. It's very interesting chapter, right? So next one is interest charged by the bank. So what is the amount of interest charge? 125. So interest charged by the bank. This time the bank is charging the money. That means deducting the money. So there's obviously there's no information for the cash book. So cash book is 0, but the passbook is minus 125. Why? Because the bank has charged the amount of money. Charged the amount of money as interest. इंटरेस्ट काट लिया बैंक में ओवरड्राफ्ट के लिए, सो 125 डिडक्ट हो गया पासबुक से, but the cash book is 0. Now to make both the sides same, what you have to do, you have to put 125 minus 125 in the cash book also, then only it will be same. So simply do 1 minus 125. So now after this we can see that both the cash book and the passbook are same. Okay, 120 minus 125 minus 125. Clear? Is this clear? I hope all of you have understood it. Now we will go for putting it in the format of bank reconciliation statement. So this is the bank reconciliation statement. What you have to do is that bank reconciliation statement, one will be particulars, one side we have the plus item and the other one is a minus item. Starting with the base is bank overdraft, that is as per the cash book. Bank overdraft as per cash book, what is the amount? 12,500 in the minus. So overdraft as per cash book in the minus item 12,500. You can even write down credit balance as per cash book. Sorry, cash book. Okay, credit balance as per cash book, or you can write down overdraft balance per cash book or unfavorable balance as per cash book. All the three will be coming here. Then coming to the next one, point number 1, it is minus 275. We'll just remember the difference. What to write? Let's see. It is minus 275. Remember that. And what to write? Check and cash sent to bank but was not credited and dishonored. Okay, there are two situations. Check deposit, you can write like this: check deposited were not credited till 31st March and one of the check was dishonored. This way also you can write down. So what is there? See, check paid into the bank but not credited in January, and again check paid into bank was dishonored. Two items. They have given it separately. We can give together also, no problem. So what was that? 275. We know the amount. One was 230 and one was 45. Both in the minus. Okay, together we have done this. 275 we can put it in two ways. What is that? One is a 230 and again 230 and again what was the remaining one? It was, this mentioned here, 45. Okay, this you can just put it down so that you can easily understand. Yeah. Okay, so this was the minus items, minus 230 minus 45. So it came here. Then again coming to the next one, the second one, that is what is the change, how it is adjusted, plus 1370. So how will you do that? Let's see what is here. During the month of January 1, okay, sorry, during the month of January I issued check of this much. Check was issued to creditors but were not presented, right? It was presented on 5th of January. So what will you write? Check issued but not presented till January 31st. Okay, till 31st of January. So how it will appear? Like this: check issued but not presented for payment in January, 1370 in the payment side, right? I hope all of you are able to understand this. Just make it a little big. Okay, so check issued but not presented for payment 1370 in the plus item. Okay, plus item. I'll just adjust it a little bit, matching up with the column. Yeah. So it will be plus item 1370. Now going to the next one, we have got minus 312. So here also there were multiple items, isn't it? 312 means there were multiple items. 170, then there was 120, and there was 22, isn't it? Remember that there was 22. So this, okay, so what you will do is that this total amount of 312 will be put in the minus. What is the point to write here? According to okay, so what did you write? According to my standing order, the bank have paid during the month of January the following: life insurance premium, television license fees, driving license fees. You can put like this, or you can write it just in a different way. Bank paid according to a standing instruction life insurance fees, minus, in the minus you can write on minus 170, television license fees minus 120 in the minus items, and driving license fee minus 22. You can just see here, amount paid by the bank according to standing instruction: life insurance premium 170 in the minus, television license fee is 120 in the minus, driving license fee is 22 in the minus item 20. Okay, now coming to the next one, my banker have collected rupees 150 as dividend on shares. Okay, My banker have collected rupees 150 on dividend. Okay, my banker has collected 150 as dividend on shares. So that will be class item here. So how it will be coming? Dividend collected by bank, 150 in the class item. Okay. Then next one, my banker has given a wrong credit. We can just write down wrong credit by the banker. Again, 150 plus. So wrong credit by the bank, 150 in the class item. Okay. Then interest charged by the bank, 120. It is minus 125. Sorry, it is in the minus. So interest charged by the bank, put in the minus item. Okay. Now what you will do, you'll just find out the total of both the sides. What is the plus side total? What is the minus side total? We'll do the balancing. So the minus side total is 100 and sorry, plus item the total is 1670 and minus item it is 13,212. So again the minus is more. So after deducting, the balance comes 11,542. Put it in the minus item column itself. And what will you write? We started with bank overdraft as per cash book. Now it will be bank overdraft as per passbook, and the overdraft balance in the passbook is called debit balance. So that is why we have written like this: overdraft bracket में debit balance as per passbook. Clear है? Okay, all of you understood? This is how it will be solved. Overdraft balance as per passbook. Clear? Bank overdraft balance as per passbook. So this is how the sum will appear to you. And this is a very interesting question, because this was composing of many things. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood it clearly. And only one thing is left from this chapter is overdraft as balance as per passbook. Okay, and that will be done with a sum and we can finish that. So I hope all of you have understood this. In the next video we'll be taking up bank overdraft balance as per passbook and we'll finish up the chapter. Till then, take care of yourself. Please make a total note of all these things and do give your attendance. Okay, that is very important. And please give your feedback and make sure that you have understood all these things. If not, then please call me and get the things clear. Okay, this is very important. Do not lose the time. Do not make yourself, don't put yourself in the back foot. Be in the front foot and do the, okay, be in the front foot and do the best. You can do that. You are capable of. Okay, let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.